my video. I'm Nabil, so I will tell you about story the Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Once upon a time, there were three bears. A big bear is Papa Bear, and a middle-sized bear is Mama Bear, and a wee little bear is Baby Bear. They all live together in the forest. There is a little house, a pretty little house in the forest, a house for the three bears. Inside the three bear house, there were three chairs. A big chair for the Papa Bear, a middle-sized chair for the Mama Bears, and a wee little chair for the Baby Bear. Bedroom, there were three beds. A big bed for the Papa Bear, a middle-sized for the Mama Bear, and a wee little bed for the Baby Bear. In the morning, Papa Bear was reading his newspaper. The Mama Bear was cooking breakfast, and the wee little bear decided to play with his toys until breakfast was ready. That morning, Mama Bear had cooked porridge for breakfast, and she had set it out on the table in three bowls. A big bowl for Papa Bear, a middle-sized bowl for Mama Bear, and a wee little bowl for the Baby Bear. When Mama Bear tasted the porridge, she found it was too hot to eat. So Papa Bear decided they should all go for a walk in the forest while they were waiting for the porridge to cool. That some morning, a little girl named Goldilocks was walking through the woods. Now Goldilocks lived near the woods, and she often went for walks near her home. This morning, thought she had walked farther into the woods than she had ever gone before. She had known that bears live in the forest, and now she has found their house. She wasn't sure just how to behave, but she knew it would be polite to knock on the door. When she knocked the door, there was no answer, but the door was open, so she go in the house. She was so excited. She eventually forgot that she had not been invited in and should not have been there at all. Then she saw the chairs. The big chair for the Papa Bear, the middle-sized chair for the Mama Bear, and the wee little chair for the Baby Bear. Goldilocks was tired from her long walk, so she decided to sit down. She sat in the big chair, but she was too hard for her. She sat in the middle-sized chair, but it was too soft. Then she sat in the wee little chair. It was just right, until she was truly sorry. She had broken the chair, but just then she saw the porridge that bears had left to cool. Because Goldilocks was hungry from her long walk, so she decided to eat. She tasted the porridge in the big bowl, but the porridge was too hot for her. She tasted the porridge in the middle-sized bowl, but it was too cold. Then she tasted the porridge in the wee little bowl, and it was just right. In fact, it was so good, and she ate it all up. And then Goldilocks was sleepy from her long walk. She wondered where she could lay down. Then she saw the bedroom. She tried laying down on the big bed, but it was too hard and also too high for Goldilocks. Then she tried laying down on the middle-sized bed, but it was too soft. And the last, she tried laying down on the wee little bed. It was just like her cozy bed at home, and so she went to sleep. Meanwhile, out in the forest, Baby Bear was up in a tree playing hide and seek. Papa Bear was playing too. Then Baby Bear tried out some trick he had learned. Mama and Papa Bear were quite proud, especially when Baby walked on his front legs. Somersaults were one of Baby's favorite stunts. Papa Bear could do backwards somersaults. Baby watched closely to see how Papa Bear did it. Then Baby Bear did it too, and so the bears passed the time while waiting for the porridge to cool. Meanwhile, Goldilocks was still sound asleep when the bears back home. Big Papa Bear, Middle-sized Mama Bear, and wee little Baby Bear. As soon as they were inside the house, bears knew that someone had been there. Papa Bear said in his big voice, "Someone has been sitting in my chair." Mama Bear said in her middle-sized voice, "Someone has been sitting in my chair." And Baby Bear said in his wee little voice, "Someone has been sitting in my chair and it's broken." Then Papa Bear said in his big voice, "Someone has been eating my porridge." Mama Bear in her middle-sized voice, "Someone has been eating my porridge." And Baby Bear said in his wee little voice, "Someone has been eating my porridge and it's all gone." Then Papa Bear decided to look in the bedroom. He said in his big voice, "Someone has been sleeping in my bed." Mama Bear said her middle-sized voice, "Someone has been sleeping in my bed." And Baby Bear, then he looked in the bedroom and he said in his wee little voice, "Someone has been sleeping in my bed, and here she is with the Goldilocks wake up." She thought the Baby Bear was so cute that she would have liked to take him home for a pet. But then she saw Mama and Papa Bear. She was so surprised that she jumped out the window and ran all the way home. And she never again went so far into the woods. So she never again saw the little bear house in the forest. And no one else has ever seen it either except when they were 10. That's all about the Goldilocks and the Three Bears story. Thanks for your attention and see you.